Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to talk about the Germ Guardian air cleaning system unboxing review. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon when you be notified of new videos, and I really appreciate thumbs up in advance. Thank you very much. So we have the Germ Guardian. It does 4-in-1. It's an air cleaning system, air purifier for another name, captures allergens, fights germs, reduces odors, and maximizes airflow. And uses filter C. Yes, it's also Energy Stars for medium to large rooms as well. So you can see the unit out of inside the box. And this Germ Guardian is a 4-in-1 air cleaning system. Creates a better home environment. A little bit of marketing here. UVC light to kill germs. And also there's also a filter as well with a cover that you actually could change out in short. So let's take a look at the box on the top. It does come with a 5-year warranty as well, which is a very good warranty overall. That's the model number for this one, but there's also other model numbers that this unit goes by. Let's take a look what's inside the box first. It's a nice thank you brochure. I guess it sells the product, it tells you about other products that you could buy. There's a user and care instruction on the top. There's an 800 number, and also there's a website. And this guide actually tells you about troubleshooting. You can see right here. And also the filter goes in the back. You click on the different buttons to do different things for the airflow. Now let's take this unit out of the box right here. Very simple. Just lift it up, I guess. There's nothing there on the bottom. And we got it out of the box right here. You can also see that it's nicely wrapped as well. So it has some shrink wrap around it. Notice the ingress is from the back of the unit and egress is from the side of the unit. And yes, I mentioned it's Energy Star as well. So let's take a quick look at the filter in the back over here. Nice size filter overall. The unit isn't that wide, but it's reasonably sized. So that's the filter, and also has this extra filter piece as well too. And changing the filter shouldn't be a big challenge. Just slip it out like that if you were to change the filter. Nicely designed for that overall. Give that a thumb up for that part of it. So it does use a reasonably sized power cord, and it's a regular 2-prong power cord. I can remove that for you on the top over here. There it goes. Just plug it into the wall. And it recommends using Germ Guardian technology replacement parts for the performance and warranty. So notice the egress is on the side. It's not going to blow directly into. It has a nice logo at the bottom, Germ Guardian. Has a little UVC light O-wing on the front. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. So this is how it sounds like if you were to turn it on. This is unfiltered. So it does this is on level 5, by the way. It moves the air around quite a bit, but I doubt anybody would turn on level 5 unless you really like to hear the noise of the fan. It's still noticeable at night at level 5, but I think if you reduce it like 2 or 3, it's not that noticeable. So you guys just click on this button over here to reduce the amount of airflow. So also you could hit on this button over here to change the UVC light if you turn it on. So that will give you a ring in the front. Looks good, but it can be annoying. Here's the timer button. Goes up to 8 hours, then turns off. So you have an 8-hour timer that turns off automatically. Notice the inflow. Ingress is from the back, egress is from the side, left and right. Unusual maybe, but this is how this unit is. Pros and cons. Alright, pros is also is very reasonable price. It's about $100. A small compact package. Has a lot of filtration systems. In the back. And it's very simple to change, easy to use. Con, It's basically, it has the UVC light on the side, and if you were to turn off the unit and turn it on, it always doesn't save your setting. So every time you gotta click on that button, because it goes back to level 5 every time you turn it on. It has no memory setting for that. Like I mentioned, the ring in the front could be annoying for some. You might want to use electrical tape or some other tape to tape it up. There's no night mode included, which is probably another button if they were to offer that. And also the airflow may be a questionable, blowing on the side. Some people like that, some people don't like that. So those are the pros and cons of the unit overall. Another demo of the airflow at level 5. So level 5 gives you a very reasonable outflow of air. I don't know if you want to turn on that in the daytime. It does emit some sound, but it's very reasonable amount compared to some air purifiers. So I give that probably like an 8 overall. Okay. Anyway, I hope you appreciate a thumbs up if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye.